This is Howard. Anyway, I just installed the new Magellan Pro Yamaha add-on. You're supposed to get a little harness to go to the 16 machine that the 19's pre-wired for. But if you don't have it in time, what you can do, and you want to play before you get your new one, you can hook it up to the the service port underneath your center console there. And you can see I routed the wire through there and then plugged it into the machine. You'll have everything but your battery level. Tells you how much juice you have. But as you can see, I'll demonstrate if you can hear me when I fire the machine up. Everything else works. Couple of my switches because I couldn't reach them anymore with the machine in the way. So if you have switches over here, they're pretty much done unless you mount this somewhere else. I did that. And normally this unit will turn on and off with the key, but I don't have it hooked up to the cigarette lighter port yet because the wiring harness isn't long enough. So that's the only issue that I can see that you need that harness is it's just an extension to the service port. And I also tell you to drill a hole here to tuck your wiring from that into there, but as you can see I already have a winch, so that's not going to work. And then you're supposed to put your another hole here so you can put your USB charge port in your glove box. I think I'm either not going to use it or I'm going to put it where the cigarette lighter is here, since I don't use this cigarette lighter that came with that panel. Anyway, there's that. Then also did a little work on my girl's Kimco. I put this new back glass on there. The Kimco stuff seems to be very nice. It's hard coat. It's a nice molded back glass. Got a nice molded front, top. It's actually a really kind of attractive little unit. Anyway, thanks for watching.